The H7 is the base model for car headlights, and there are many different variants. These bulbs are all H7 models, so if you're looking for an instructional video on how to install them, this video. Today we use Lasfit new LA Plus H7 for illustration. The newly upgraded razor design makes the light beam more concentrated and sharper. Lasfit LA Plus is an upgraded version based on the Lasfit LCF Plus LED bulbs. 60 watts and 6000 lm/set, top light conversion efficiency, 400% brighter than the stock H7 LED bulb. Lasfit H7 is equipped with the latest dual ball silent 12,000 RPM cooling fan on the market, advanced purple copper temperature control system to ensure up to 50,000 hours of service life. So let's get started. This is a common H7 socket. You just need to push this frame up, the halogen bulb will pop out by itself. And then unplug the factory bulb. Next, you need to take the mounting base out of the LED bulb. Then insert the bulb into the socket and insert the plug. Attention! You need to adjust the angle of the LED bulbs to achieve the best light beam. It is usually to keep the LED chips facing the 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock directions. That is, keep the wire against the base notch. Next, this is another common H7. Then remove the bulb mounting base as well. Put the base on and mount it with the frame. This last one is a simpler socket compared to the previous. Just press down on the halogen bulb and it will come out. Then disconnect the wires. Then put in the LED bulb, pay attention to make sure that the position of the LED mounting base is aligned with the middle, and ensure that the light beam angle is correct. Make sure the bottom goes in first, then push the top and connect the wires. For some brand vehicles, especially BMW, Mercedes-Benz, Volkswagen, so please visit our website lasfit.com. You can choose an extra adapter, or you can buy our custom H7 LED bulbs with an extra retainer. In the meanwhile, we have installation videos about these types of H7 bulbs. Check the button in the upper corner. If you don't know which adapter your vehicle needs, please leave a comment below. We will be happy to help you. Thanks for your watching.